Hello and good afternoon everyone. My name is Saurabh Shivsagar. I am from Chemical Department 8th SEM. Our project is on cashew nut shell liquid, extraction of cashew nut shell liquid. So we are using the gel analyzer version 19.1 software. So I'll tell you the procedure of gel analyzer. So let's start the video. First we have to download the gel analyzer version 19.1. Now here is the software gel analyzer version 19.1. so let's start. Here is the option file. Go to file, select new analysis and select the image of TLC plate. My image is in desktop, so I'll select the image, TLC image. Okay, now open. This is the image that we have to find out. Okay, now here are the two options, light on dark and dark on light. So we will select the dark on light option and click the right button, OK button. Then here is the option of rotation of the image, however you are comfortable, so you can keep the image correctly and select OK button. Now select the portion that you want to analyze. Wait a minute. Select the portion. Okay. Now select the portion here. Okay. Now click OK button. So here is the image. It is zoomed till 100%. Will make it less to 75% or 50%. If you are comfortable with this image, then keep it to 50%. Then next, here are a lot of options such as lens mode, bands mode, background definition mode, RF calibration mode. So let's start with the lens mode. Select to the lens mode, then add new lane, then draw a vertical line in the middle of the image. Okay, and expand it. Done. This is the graph of intensity versus pixel. Here it is, intensity versus pixel. Here is the graph of three compounds, compound A, B and C. So next we'll go to bands mode. Click on bands mode. Next, add band manually. Select add band manually option and click at the start and at the end. Okay, here is the total RF and raw volume. Note down the total raw volume. It is 62,012. Note down the total raw volume. Then delete all bands on selected lane. Click on the delete all bands on selected lane. Okay, then one more time, add bands mode, add band manually. So we'll try for the first band, for the first compound from here till here. This is the first compound and here is the given RF value and raw volume for the first compound. and similarly add band manually for the second compound. Similarly the RF value and raw volume are given, and for the third one add band manually for the third as well. Okay, here are the total 3 raw volumes and RF values given, and we can find manual from this graph, from this image as well, the RF value, such as by clicking on RF calibration mode, add RF curve and select at this point 0.185 for the first one, 0.43 for the second one, and raw volume for the 3 compounds. Now the percentage yield we will find out, will calculate. Okay, this we had total raw volume of 62,012. We have noted down that first we'll take a first compound, that is 12,739 divided by 62,012. Sorry, 62,012 into 100. For the first compound, the total percentage yield will be 20.54%. Similarly, we have to do for second and third compound, such as I'll try for the third compound, 24,091 raw volume divided by 62,000 and 12 into 100. It gives 38.84% yield. So this is the usage of the gel analyzer. Thank you so much. Bye.